Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can create any terrain you want or any shape you want inside of Rec Room. And to do this, what we need is the Maker tool, which we can select by going into the backpack, or we can just select by pressing M in our keyboard. That is the Maker tool, right? So now, what we have to go is to go to the menu, which is with the right button, and we have to go to Shapes in here, right, to create shapes in here. And we can select any shape we like. In this particular case, what I'm going to do is choose a cylinder, right, which is going to be right here, I believe. Yeah, it's right here. Okay, so once we do that, we just have to deploy it. Okay, we can just close the menu here and we just deploy this cylinder in here, right? So let's click on the right click to create a cylinder, and we can adjust the height, the width, in whichever way we want by just pressing down on the right click button. Okay. Once we're happy with the design, what we can do is a lot of things actually, but we can, for example, change the color, and we can also rotate our cylinder. So we're gonna go to the menu again by pressing on left click, and we're gonna go to rotate in here. And we're gonna use the rotate tool to, place it however we want, which in this case is gonna be like this, I guess. Okay. So we can also go to recolor to basically put any color we like, which in this case is going to be black. Okay, and now it's going to change to a black cylinder. Now, let's say that I want to get rid of this orange cylinder. What I can do is I can go to the shortcuts menu, as you can see, by pressing down on this wheel, and I can go to the delete tool, and I can just get rid of the orange cylinder. So this is a quick overview on how you can use the Maker tool. You can get into a lot of detail with this tool. Thank you so much.